Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to type into a UI text view during a test, only to realize it's not working as expected? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to type into a UI text view inside a XCTestCase. I totally get it. You might be thinking, why can't I just type into this UI text view when it's already focused? You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue when automating tests, and it can feel like you're hitting a wall. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how do I type into a UI text view inside a XCTestCase? They mentioned that the UI text view is the first responder, the keyboard is up, but their attempts to type text are failing. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? It often comes down to how XCTest interacts with the UI elements. Sometimes, even when a UI text view is focused, XCTest may not recognize it properly. We'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the XCTestCase is correctly identifying the UI text view. The user should first confirm that the UI text view is accessible in the app's UI hierarchy. Next, the user should verify that the UI text view has the correct accessibility identifier set. This will help in locating the UI text view within the XCTestCase. Now the user can access the UI text view in their XCTestCase using the accessibility identifier. They can do this by referencing the app's text views. Once the user has access to the UI text view, they can type text into it. Since the keyboard is already up, they can use the type text method directly on the UI text view. Finally, the user should run their test to ensure that the text is being entered correctly into the UI text view. They can check the text value after typing. Fun fact, did you know that the first automated tests were written in the 1950s? They were much simpler than what we have today, but the concept of testing remains just as important. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests setting a unique accessibility identifier for your UI text view. First, you would access the text view using that identifier. Then you can check if it exists, tap on it, and type your desired text. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always set accessibility identifiers for your UI elements. This simple practice can save you a lot of headaches when writing tests. And there you have it. You should now be able to type into a UI text view inside an XCTestCase without any issues. Remember, setting accessibility identifiers and using the tap method can make a world of difference. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our next video where we tackle more common testing challenges.